So here is my Raspberry Pi Pico board, which is not responding to any power supply like adapter or a computer. So this is the failure of onboard buck converter circuit, which converts the 5 volt to 3.3 volt. So let's connect the 5 volt to the board and let's check the voltage output. At the V bus we get the 5 volt, but we can't get 3.3 volt at 3.3 pin. So we need to bypass and add an voltage regulator to replace the buck converter failure. So we got this 3.3 volt regulator from the ESP board and solder it to 3.3 volt output pin of the voltage regulator pin and voltage input pin to the V bus 5 volt. After connecting this uh, system to 5 volt, we got the bypass 3.3 volt on the pin, and you can see that the board is working properly. At last, another thing that we need to do, disable this buck converter circuitry by removing the diode is connected from the V bus.